Our March incentives are here to save you the most money on your next Toyota vehicle at Falmouth Toyota of Bourne. This month, lease a new 2018 Tacoma SR5 double cab for only $224 a month. The new 2018 RAV4 LE all-wheel drive leases for only $169 a month, and the new 2018 Highlander XLE all-wheel drive loaded with features leases for only $299 a month. We've reduced pricing on our remaining new 2017 Toyota Prius Primes with discounts starting at $5,787. If a pre-owned vehicle is more your style, we have a great selection to choose from, with many starting under $15,000, just like our certified pre-owned 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. Learn about the excellence you can expect at our dealership by reading what thousands of customers have written about us on DealerRater.com, many even committing to be Falmouth Toyota customers for life. We hope you get to stop by our dealership on Route 28, 1 mile south of the Bourne Bridge, or visit us online at FalmouthToyota.com before these savings end April 2nd.